U.S. stocks continuing to rise right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange this Wednesday afternoon as rates continue to slide and as investors take in key jobs and manufacturing data ahead of the Fed's meeting minutes release. The November job openings and labor turnover report, or JOLTS, coming in slightly better than expected, showing continued labor market strength, while ISM manufacturing showing a contraction in the sector after 30 months of expansion. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, it's more of the same since the morning. The euro-dollar is where we begin. That sees the upside prevail. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair, the upside prevails, and that's in focus. The pair remains above the former symmetrical triangle and above its rising moving averages. Long positions above 120 are favored, with targets at 120.105 and 120.125 in extension. The dollar-yen, that sees a rebound. The Bitcoin dollar intraday is moving below its lower Bollinger Band, the pivot point at 17,090, while in precious metals, gold sees its intraday support around 1845. Gold has broken a former declining trend line and stands above its bullish moving averages. Long positions above 1845 are favored, with targets at 1872 and 1880 in extension, while silver sees its intraday support around 24.05 a troy ounce. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates, and for Trading Central Web TV on this, a Wednesday afternoon here at the New York Stock Exchange. I'm James Swinney.